This is N News, bringing the world to your screen. You're with Merryland Academy, and you're watching Merryland News.
Good evening everyone and welcome to Merryland News. I am Natalie Portman, your host for today's special program celebration of International Day of Peace 2024. This year's theme is Cultivating a Culture of Peace, reminding us the importance of kindness and unity in our everyday lives. Sadly, the world faces conflicts in various parts, and it's the children who suffer the most. These children, who should be learning and growing in safe environment, are often caught in the midst of violence, displacement, and trauma. Today we'll explore how each of us can be a peace builder in our community and how our efforts towards peace can offer hope to those children who are living in war-torn regions. To begin, we have a special guest with us today, peace expert Leo Pex. Welcome, Leo.
Thank you, Natalie. I am thrilled to be here.
Leo, can you tell us why International Day of Peace is so important this year?
Of course, the theme Cultivating a Culture of Peace emphasizes that peace is something we must nurture daily. It means teaching kindness, practicing empathy, and resolving conflicts with respect. We need to understand that every small action of peace, like listening or smiling at someone, can make a huge difference.
That's beautiful. And how we can teach our children about peace?
It starts with showing them kindness, understanding, and non-violent conflict resolution. When kids learn these values, they spread them to their communities. In peaceful societies, children thrive in healthier environments and have access to better education.
Can you speak to the impact on these conflicts on young minds?
Of course, war affects children in devastating ways. They are often separated from their families, forced to flee their homes, and lose access to education. Beyond the physical effects, the emotional and psychological scars last a lifetime. These children need safety, stability, and care, which is why promoting peace is so crucial.
Absolutely heartbreaking. How can we help make a difference?
We can start by spreading awareness, donating to child-centered relief organizations, and support initiatives that focus on rebuilding communities and offering psychological support to our young survivors. Every effort counts.
Thank you, Leo.
Thank you, Natalie, for having me.
Now let's go live to Merryland Academy, where our news reporter Ethan Hunt is standing by with students who are engaging in peace-promoting activities. Over to you, Ethan.
Thanks, Natalie. I am here at Merryland Academy, where students are participating in peace rally and spreading the message of peace. Let's hear from them. Hello. What are you doing today to promote peace?
We are organizing a peace rally to spread awareness of how important it is to be kind to others.
Excellent advice. And what about you?
I help my friends settle arguments without fighting.
How can we help children in war zones?
We can raise money for charities that help them, and we can talk about peace with others.
Why is peace important for children?
Peace means safety and happiness for children. It lets us play, learn, and live without fear.
And now for the special part.
Dear my leaders, we know you are powerful, but real power isn't truly peace.
We, the children of the world, ask you to stop the fighting. War brings pain to many children and families. We dream of a world where all children can play, learn, and grow in peace.
Please think of the children. We want a future where no one is afraid, where schools are safe, and where we can all play in peace.
Yay!
Let's build bridges, not walls.
It's wonderful. While we know that many children around the world are enduring unimaginable hardships due to war. The students here are sending their love and prayers for peace. I am Ethan Hunt at Merryland Academy. Back to you, Natalie.
That's a fantastic way to promote peace. With hope of future where every child can grow up in peaceful world, we sign off from Merryland News today. Let's continue to take steps towards harmony and never forget the power of kindness and understanding. Thank you for watching. This is Natalie Portman wishing you peace. Remember to like, share and subscribe to support our message for a better tomorrow. This is M News bringing the world to your screen. Good night.